the fucking truck.
Hey, get off the man truck, man.
I can pay you, okay? I'm here.
Yeah.
Get off his truck.
Man. I'm just
Hey, come here, man.
just alone and
Hey,
leaving.
man.
Come on, man. Get off.
Come here, man.
Come on, man. Get off his truck.
I pay, okay?
Okay. Get off. Get off his truck and pay him.
Get off of the truck.
Get
How
off.
much I pay you now?
Get off of the fucking truck first.
I pay you now, no.
I'm not doing shit till you get off.
Get off the truck, man. He gonna give you a car.
Okay?
Get off the fucking truck.
Come on, Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee,
Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce.
Get off of
get off the truck.
Get off, Bruce.
Get off of the truck.
No, I believe in you. I believe in you. I can pay the ticket right now, okay?
Car only worth $300, Bruce.
I'm here. You told my car. You steal
I
my
don't
car.
give a shit. Get off of my truck.
You steal my car.
Get the fuck off of my
You
truck.
get out first. Okay, I'm
I get out first. You're in the fucking door. How the fuck I'm supposed to get out first? Get off of my truck.
How you gonna get out the truck if you don't get the fuck off?
Get the fuck off the goddamn truck.
Get the fuck off the truck, man.
Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Hey.
Right now, if I call 911, you're gonna go to jail because you're not allowed to block somebody's fucking way,
Hey,
asshole.
go help me. Call the 911.
Man, pay the man.
I'm delivering that.
Pay the man.
I'm just delivering.
Pay the man.
Hey, you can't do that,
Get off of my truck, dude. Get off of the truck.
Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce.
Okay, you
Get
talk
off
where you tell me the number. So now my number, I go
Get the fuck off of my truck.
You give me the number and I go down. Oh, you got a car.
Get off my truck, dude.
Where she towing? I gotta get a car.
Get off the truck.
You're making a big scene, man.
I can pay you, okay? I can pay you, okay?
Pull your money out.
Where? You just give me the car.
Hey, Bruce, they laughing
If
at
you
you.
break this fucking window, you're gonna pay for it.
Yeah, okay.
Get the fuck off of my truck.
God damn it, Bruce. You better get off his truck, Bruce.
The number's on the side.
Hey, the man got the curry soy sauce on the ground and everything, man.
Get the fuck off of my truck. Get off of the truck.
Got soy sauce on the ground, Bruce.
Fucking ground and I'll talk.
Man, and drop somebody food in
Hey,
there.
nigga want the food, Bruce.
Man. Yeah, that's your food, champ.
Hey, he said it's free. It's free.
It's free now, man. Go ahead and take it.
It's free, man. You better go ahead and take that.
Hey, yeah, man. Go ahead. Oh,
You
man.
better pull off. I would have been pulled off.
Man, he done fucked your food up.
I paid for that.
Hey, man.
I already paid $30 for that.
God
And waited an hour.
Hey, Bruce.
Hey, man. Bruce, pay the man. And pay him too.
Hey, Kim Lee, give me $30 back. Hey, you all fucked up, Bruce Kim Lee. Bruce Kim Lee.
Bruce Kim Lee, man. Pay the man.
Come on, Bruce Kim Lee. You're making a scene, man.
Yeah, it sucks. It happens. They told my shit like twice. I paid. I got my shit back. I work for Domino's. They told my shit at work. I just want my
Pay the
food.
man, Bruce. Bruce, pay the man.
Yeah, I pay. I'm still you car.
Get your goddamn fucking hand the
Go to the
fuck
parking
out
lot. I
of my
pay.
truck.
Okay, nobody.
Man, roll the window up.
Okay,
He can't.
I can't because it's fucking fat ass. Push
Hey,
it down.
man, pay the man.
Huh?
Pay him.
Yeah, pay him. Okay, how much is that?
Can you get your hand the fuck out of my face?
No.
Do you understand?
Yeah, you trust me, okay? You gotta watch your back. How much
Move your fucking feet.
No, I
Get your fucking hand out of here. I'm gonna break the motherfucker.
I'm always.
God damn, Bruce.
Man, white boy just trying to get $30, man. Everybody just got his shit, man. Go ahead and get out, man. Get his clothes up, man.
motherfucker. I'll smash that motherfucker with this bike. I'm done fucking with you, dude. Get off the truck.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I pay you. Okay, I'm paying you. Okay, I'm promising you. I pay the ticket.
Off my fucking door.
I'm still.
I'm gonna hit you if you don't put the fuck away from my door.
Say,
Why do you not understand what you're doing right now? You are not allowed to do. Get the fuck
Shit,
away.
hey man, shit not even hot no more, man. Come on, man.
I paid $100 and $20 food, you know.
You need to get off of my door.
Yeah, please. Okay, good deal? Okay, yeah, I pay you $3, okay, sir. Sorry about that, yeah. Okay?
Get the fuck off of my door.
Huh? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you can leave here.
You gotta get off the wheel. You just want to talk. I'm not. Nobody's out.
Hey man, go get your phone, man.
Like that. You don't go into Walmart and buy shit and
I have
Hey.
a phone,
Hey, Bruce.
I'm fucking you.
Hey
Man,
Bruce,
Bruce ain't letting go of that motherfucker.
you want the phone, Bruce?
Yeah, okay, then go do it. I don't know what to tell you, bro. There's no please here.
Oh, somebody calling.
I am
Hey,
over
hello.
Who calling?
Mama.
Mommy?
Mama.
Mommy? Mama calling? Mama calling, Bruce?
I'm going to talk to my mom.
You want me
Sir.
to answer for you?
Yeah, come in. Come in.
Phone ringing.
Come in, let me talk to my mama.
He want to talk to Mama.
Carry out.
Hurry up and buy.
Hey, talk to mama. Come in here. Hey.
Carry out. Carry out. Carry out. Carry out.
Hey, come in. Carry on. Let me talk to my mom, okay?
Oh, Mama hung up the phone.
Mama hung up.
Come here.
Oh, here she go. Here she go.
Officer, come here. Okay. Yeah.
You going to phone this, buddy?
Police. Policia.
Oh, it's on now, buddy.
Policia.
Yeah. Come here.
They're going to lock your ass up. They definitely going to tell you get the fuck off the truck.
Hey, no. Officer here. Officer. You don't care? Officer here.
Hey, he going to tell you get the fuck off that truck.
He said, okay, you can tow my car. Okay, I'm towing.
Here we go.
Okay.
Get off of my truck, bro. Get off of my truck. Get off of my truck.
Hey, Mama son call.
Get off of it.
Mama son calling.
Okay, sir.
Get off of my truck.
Yeah, I'm with the delivery. Good security. I'm just parking here.
I need this guy off of my truck. Can you get off the truck, please?
Okay.
Can you step aside, maybe like right here? Hold on. What do you mean, hold on? I'm here with you guys. Okay, well, I did my job. I'm just waiting for him to get the fuck off my truck. Get on my truck. All inside my truck. I asked him to get off.
God damn, Bruce Lee.
I'm over it. I'm not dropping it here. You can pick it up at the lot. Is this, so you, why'd you pick the car? Because you parked in the fire lane.
I find it. When I parked to the delivery car and to get a food, he said he was to call my car.
All right, well, if you're parked in a fire lane and he came to pick up the pick up the car, he has the right to do that. You're gonna have to go get it.
Hey, Bruce.
All right?
No, I'm a state of just leaving the building as a building just to watch about two watch. You know?
Hey, buddy.
Okay, let me talk to my mom, my phone.
Your phone right there, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. Have a good night.
Hey, are you guys with him too, or
No, sir.
no? You guys are just helping out throw the tow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we just saw him and, you know.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
You guys are good.
Okay. Have a good night, officers. Y'all be safe.
You too.